Brandon. This is Brand, not Brandon.
I don't care. Do you want your beautiful face? Harvey, do you want your beautiful face up there?
Can I do a picture? Am I on there? Why am I Harvey? Harvey shall go.
Kicksta DVDS. The one and only Kicksta DVDS. Determined to get his fate. Determined to make the bowling pins pay. Determined. Determined. Determined! He is very determined tonight. Very determined. Hey, stop that noise in there. I'm trying to do a voiceover. Okay. He failed.
I didn't fail, I was just...
It's your fault, Tian.
The YouTube gang.
Look at all these beautiful faces up there.
The YouTube brothers.
I need a bigger picture. Move out the way, I need to see it. My camera's not picking up.
It's your go, it comes up. I'm finding another bowling ball.
Brown, can I follow you?
What?
I need to follow you so you can be on camera all day.
You wanted me to follow me?
Yes.
These are, I love bowling balls. As the Gabba loves books, I love bowling balls. I'm trying to get a bowling ball here.
We're both recording, Brandon.
Can you mind?
Jack, are you having a good time?
Yes.
Don't worry, Jack. I did really bad.
Thomas, it's your turn.
It's my go, look, guys, it's my go.
Bran, why are you sitting like a 3-year-old? Turn. Brandon's turn.
So because Brandon's going to get a strike and we're all going to get a strike. Oh.
I don't worry, I did it awful. You did better than me.
Oh God.
After Tian.
After all that work, they got one thing. Right, school's not going up yet. RealMasterTian is right.
Come on. It's good enough.
Yeah, I'm the winner.
I'm losing. Jack, you're second.
Yeah, I'm the second to...
Oh, it's my turn, my turn. Why are you holding my camera? Jack, come on. Come on. Jack, what you need to do is... Jack, what you need to do is... You need to run up it and then do it.
Why?
Because then you can get some speed and agility. This is amazing. We've got Jack for Philpot, RealMasterTian Gaming, Brandon Syphas 2, and Budgie Boy, and the one and only Kicksta DVDS. It's your turn, Budgie
Can we
Boy.
put our video up there? Hello there, my fellow friends. I got the tea.
Maybe spin it.
This is how I would tell it's mine. This is how I would tell this.
Oh my, Thomas, I did the same thing to Tian when I finished. I said it's all your fault. But I got the phone off it.
Best comedy ever.
That way.
We're not acting, Tian. We're being real. I can't wait to get copyright.
Yeah, you're gonna get copyright.
Brandon.
I'll be copyrighted many times.
And you can't do anything about it.
Oh yeah, I can put copyright. Oh, you. Why does it always go down there? Why? Why?
So guys, shut up. We're here with Budgie Boy. Shut up. We're here with Brandon and just shut up. We're here with Brad Syphas, shut up. And we're here with Jack Philbert, shut up. And we're here with RealMasterTian, especially shut up. It's my turn. Get over camera, you idiot. That's it! I hate you!
It's all your fault, Tian.
Jack, do this. Don't worry, she got your necklace yet.
Do it!
So we're talking about beer and look, there's an advertisement for it.
This has got me wet with beer.
That's better than your last one.
Yeah, that's better.
Who's goes it next?
Next of all is Thomas.
Thomas, get up. Thomas.
This is recording. It's a beautiful video. Hello, camera.
Subscribe to Jack Philbert, which is here. He makes good videos. He makes Roblox videos, and previously, fun fact, he was called Jack the Philbert, then Jack the Roblox Student Gamer, and then Jack Philbert. And also, guess what? Someone subscribed to me a tier called Bacon the Roblox Student Gamer. Has anyone subscribed to you, Brandon, called Bacon the Roblox Student Gamer?
Yep, him.
Is that you, Jack?
Yeah.
Jackie,
Next to bowl.
Jackie, you Bacon the Roblox Student Gamer.
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah.
Bacon the Roblox Student Gamer's him.
His other account.
Yeah, it's his old account.
You're next up. Five.
Let's see what Brad's score was. That got me. Hat.
What's that noise? I heard beeping.
There's a ghost! Hey, Q&A with RealMasterTian. Q&A, what's your favourite McDonald's food? Burgers. Q&A with RealMasterTian Gaming. What's your favourite TV ever?
The 4K TV.
Tian, what's your favourite YouTuber?
Well, let me just say, Kicksta DVDS, of course.
Wow!